Welcome back standard 8 sorry standard 7, and today we will discuss about the rest of the chapter 5, the advanced features in MS Excel. Okay, my first topic is adding form option to quick access toolbar. Okay, MS Excel data form is another way to enter the database records, and this data form is a handy dialog box that can be used to type the data for each of your table. Okay, one record at a time, एक record एक साथ आप कर सकते हो. And here to add from the quick access we have to bring the form first. Okay, form button tab in the Excel window. So to bring the form button tab from the Excel window, we have to follow some certain steps. Okay, and these steps are important. What are these? The first, click on the file tab. File tab, you should click on the file tab. Okay, open the backstage view. Backstage view. To open the backstage view. Next, step 2, click on the option. Click on the option to what? To open the Excel, to open the Excel options dialog box. Excel options dialog box. Okay, and the step 3 you need to do that. Click on the customize ribbon. Customize ribbon. Okay, to open the customization. Open the customization. Then this customization area will those commands which are already on the toolbar, which are already present on the toolbar. Okay, and you can use this list to customize the quick access toolbar, right? Hence, in the chapter 4, you need to do is that is click on the choose command. Click on the choose commands. Choose commands. Form drop down arrow button. Form drop down arrow button. Okay. And select commands not in the ribbon. Okay, after that, using the scroll bar, there is a scroll bar in the mouse, right? Using a scroll bar, you click on the form and click the add button. To add button to the customized group, click the tab where you want to add the group to appear, and then click the new group. Then MS Excel will move the form from the list of the left to the right. Okay, and click on the OK button now. And in this way you can add the what? In this way we can open the quick access toolbar or form. Now how to add in the records using the toolbar, the data form. How to add the records? To add the records, first up we have to select the what? Cell, open record, and then click on form on the quick access toolbar. Click on the form on the quick access toolbar and then click on the new button. Okay, new option will be there. There you need to click the new button. Type the data in the fast field. After typing the data in the fast field, next step, press the tab key to move your select from left to right, and then again by repeating these steps we can fill in the form from whole fields. Okay, then click on the new button again if you want to enter the another records. So after adding the records, you can use or close the data entry box, and then click on close. Okay, then MS Excel add the record to the database list. This is how the adding form option to the quick access toolbar. Next we will move to the editing records. Okay, editing, how to edit the record. Editing records means what? We need to change something, we need to do something changes in our records or database, right? So for that we have to change the record, that is called editing. Editing means some changes, okay? So to changes, what we will do is that first one, click on any cell of a record, any cell, okay? Any cell of the record. Then step 2, click on the form from the quick access toolbar, okay? And the data from the dialog box opens. Using the scroll bar, locate your records. Locate the records that you want to edit. Okay. Locate the records that you want to edit. Next, double click on the field you want to edit and then make changes. जिसमें आप डबल क्लिक चेंजेस करना चाहते हैं उसमें आपको डबल क्लिक करना पड़ता है स्टेप 3 में. एंड देन देयर क्लिक ऑन द प्रीव, ओके, प्रीव, फाइंड प्रीव. This is double click on the cell which you want to edit or changes. Next, find, there to type find previous value or find the next value or find next, okay, that you want to navigate the next record that you want to change, okay, and then 5 on the close button. Now your record will be changed. Totally 5 steps thing is there. Now how to delete? It is adding. Adding means what? We also need to delete the records. How to delete? To delete the records, first open the data from the dialog box. Data form. Open data form from dialog box or dialog box. Yes. Then dialog box will open the data form, right? After that, next is find the, here also find the previous or the next, previous or next that you want to navigate, okay, to the records you want to remove. Next is that in step 3, click on the delete option. Click on the delete option, a warning about deletion appears. That means the confirmation message. Will you sure, are you sure want to delete this message or record or not? Then click on OK button. Click on OK button. Your record is deleted already. Okay. Next one is how to search in the record. Similarly, you can search the record. Open the data form dialog box by clicking on the form button on the quick access toolbar and click on the criteria. Then click on the field that you want to delete or specify search criteria, okay, and then type the criteria that you want to match. There also you will be asked about the find previous and the next that you want to navigate or that you want to search some criteria if there is matching or not, okay. After finishing searching through the records, click on the press button. The search record will be there on the searching windows already. You can see that. Next one we will say here is setting a data validation rule. What is data validation rule? This rule can be used using this rule, or this rule can be used to set up your database table to control the exactly what kind of data you want to, what kind of data is allowed to allowed in the cells. Okay. So if you can suppose you can make sure that whether the data you are entering is exactly matching with your records or not, or what kind of data that is. Even if you are typing some mistake or some mistake type of data or wrong data, wrong in numeric, in numbers, or in wrong text, okay, then what Excel will show you the data validation rule. If you type the wrong data, such data will be displayed on the error box to prompt you that which type of data can be entered into the cell. Okay. So to enter into the cell, first step what we will do is that first select the cells to which you want to apply a data validation rule. First select the cell. Okay. select the cell into which you want to apply the data validation rule. Okay. Next, click on the data tab. Data tab. Okay. Next, click on the data validation in the data tool groups, and the data validation dialog box will appear there. Okay. So 3 steps will be data validation in the data groups. Validation. Okay, in the data group. Next, click on setting tab. Setting. Click on the setting tab. Next, click on the allow drop down box and select the option you want to allow. Okay, and select the option between the data in the data drop down box and define data type, the pre-meter entering data value, and click on the input message tab. Next, click on the checkbox option to show the input message when cell is selected, and type the message or the title box. Message in the title box. The input box will appear when a user select cell in the range. Okay. Now click on the error alert. Chapter 12. Type a title for the error message. Type the instruction to help user correct the mistake and click on the OK button. Then if you type the wrong data, the table cells and error dialog box will appear, error alert box, that is not dialog box. Then this turn of the data validation rule. Okay. This is all about today's class. Next class we will study the sorting a record. How to sorting a record by their names, by their sizes, etc. etc. Okay. Thank you and see you in the next videos.